guys, the other video today. Alright, let's go continue.
Wala na. Okay, that's all.
Alright, let's see. There's more. What's this? Reveal.
It's a review.
Mesa shirt.
Ano yan?
Hindi ko alam.
Nay, ganun yun.
Nay, that's me.
Ilan na yan? Buksan mo daw, DJ.
Alright. Hey, that's a shirt. That's a shirt. Alright, ito. Ay, okay. That's mine, I guess. Alright, next is... Let's see, who's next? Is... Mecca. Who's Mecca? Mecca. It's Mecca. Look, it's Mecca. Here, to spell it wrong.
Nanay, mali na ang spelling nyo.
That's funny. Alright. Next is... This is what? Mami! Okay. Next is... What is this? That's mine? No. What should I do? What should I do? Hey, Mommy! Is this fragile? What should I do? Daddy, Mommy! Ang gawin ko? Sword. Wait, what's this?
That's for Daddy. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, guys, that's all of the games. So, that's all. And thank you guys for watching this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to YouTube Vlogs. So, goodbye, stay tuned, bye!